Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark latest stable release, that is 4.6.3 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version, 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Wireshark official website, it is wireshark.org. See, it is the world's leading network protocol analyzer. Click on download now. See here, the latest stable release is 4.6.3 and world stable release is 4.4.13. Click on Ubuntu. Then we have to run these commands one by one. So first we have to add the PPA to system. So copy this command, open terminal, paste it, hit enter for the password of the sudo user. Confirmation, hit enter. Now update the packages, sudo apt update, hit enter. It is done. Now install Wireshark. Control A, sudo apt install Wireshark, hit enter. See, we are installing Wireshark. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. Should not super users be able to capture packets? Yes. We have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the version. Wireshark version. We have installed Wireshark 4.6.3. Control A. Now open the Wireshark. See, here we have the Wireshark application. Click on it to open. See, we got the Wireshark. If you want to capture packets, click on here. Okay, so you can go through the documentation and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark latest version 4.6.3 on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.